Hi there. I'm going to show you how you can change the time zone in the Acuity Scheduling. Here I have embedded the scheduling module in one of my Squarespace websites, and it is Indian time zone over here. I want to change that time zone. So let me show you how you can do it. Within the scheduling module, you have to go to this availability and then go to global scheduling limits. In there, you have to go to this time zone. From here, you can choose any time zone which you like and change it accordingly. So I'm selecting Eastern time over here. Okay, and if you want to make the clients able to change the time zone by their own, then you have to switch on this switch over here. Okay, after making these changes, make sure to hit save. Now let's see if the changes are applied. So I will refresh this page, and there we have the Eastern time. So that is how you can change the time zones in Acuity Scheduling. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching.